guys, what's up? It's BlackOnyx, and today I'm actually here to share with you my updated 2018 hair wash routine on my natural hair. It's so much more simple, really easy to do, and plus it's been able to contribute to me keeping my natural hair healthy, growing, and strong. So I'm here to share with you exactly what my regimen is. Make sure you stay tuned, and also all of the products that are mentioned in this video of course are by Alikay Naturals, where you can find them, the link below, at alikaynaturals.com, and also check out the store locator on the page as well to see what retailers near you carry these amazing products. Here we go, guys. Okay guys, so the first step that I do is make sure that I deep condition and treat my hair. Now today I'm actually going to be using the Alikay Naturals Honey and Sage Deep Conditioner Treatment. I chose to use this one because it is super hydrating. My hair's been really dry lately because I just had my baby a few weeks ago. Well, 3 weeks ago, and I'm just going through a lot of dryness. So this product is going to help to pull the moisture from the air, and it traps it into your hair because it's humectant based. The honey makes your hair super soft. So this is what I'm going to be using for today's video, and it smells amazing if you haven't smelled it. Just so you know, other options that I usually use are if my hair is experiencing shedding or breakage, then I always just grab the Avocado Cream Moisture Repairing Hair Mask Treatment. It also smells super amazing and it hydrates the hair as well, but it definitely helps if you're having any scalp conditions like dandruff or flaking, etc. also. Another option is I use the Alikay Naturals Blended Therapy Hot Oil Treatment. I typically do a hot oil treatment once a month, and if my hair is really going through a lot of stress and dryness, I might do it twice a month as well. But when it comes to my deep conditioning treatment, I deep condition every single time I wash my hair. So let me show you guys how I apply this. So ideally I would have a water spray bottle, but I don't have it right now in my hand. I'm just going to actually just dip my hair underneath the running water. The goal is to use warm water because warm water helps to open up the cuticles of your hair, which allows the product to be able to soak in a lot easier. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the Honey and Sage Deep Conditioner to my hair. As you guys can see, my fro has gotten super thick again. So what I like to do is just separate my hair at least into 2 or 4. But for my normal week, I just grab my hair in 2. It makes it easier to actually apply the product. So now I'm going to finger detangle my hair just to make the application process easier. Now, you're going to take some of the Honey and Sage Deep Conditioner and run it through my hair. So the goal is, guys, to make sure that you are getting your hair ends and as much of the roots as you can as well. But don't apply the product to your scalp if you're not deep conditioning your scalp. As you can see, it's already softened my hair where I can almost detangle. I'm going to twist my hair up. And pin it. Now I'm going to repeat the same thing on the next side. Now I'm going to cover my hair with a plastic conditioning cap. And allow it time to sit in my hair. Now typically I give myself multiple options. I can leave this in my hair, do a couple things around the house, which takes like 20 to 30 minutes, or I can sit underneath a hair steamer and give my hair a really intense deep conditioning, super deep conditioning treatment for like 20 minutes, or you can sit under the dryer for like 20 to 30 minutes, or you can sleep in this overnight. I actually usually like to sleep in my deep conditioner overnight, but because we're rushing today, we're gonna go ahead and just let it sit in for 20 minutes, and then we're gonna hop in the shower and get this going. Alright guys, so now that I have allowed my hair to deep condition, All you want to do is remove the conditioning cap and the clips. At this point, your hair should be super duper soft because the honey and sage, trust me, makes the hair super pliable. Really soft. As you can see, it already looks moisturized and has bounce. So now I'm going to shampoo my hair. Alright, so here we go. Okay, so the shampoo that I'm going to be using today is going to be the Moisturizing Black Soap Shampoo. I love this shampoo because it helps to get my scalp really, really clean when my hair is extremely dirty. Although it's really like in a watery form, it definitely has amazing lather as you're getting ready to see, and it gets my scalp and hair clean without stripping it dry. Another option that I usually use is the Alikay Naturals Caribbean Coconut Milk Shampoo. It's also really good for getting your hair clean as well, but it's good for when your hair is not as dirty. It smells good and it hydrates the hair because it has real coconut milk in it, and it smells amazing. For my conditioning today, I'm going to be using the Alikay Naturals Caribbean Coconut Milk Conditioner, which has amazing slip. It helps to get through the hair really easily without losing too much hair or getting hair tangled. It softens the hair and it smells so yummy-licious. Okay guys, so now that my hair is deep conditioned, I'm going to go ahead and move on to shampooing my hair. So I'm going to rinse my deep conditioner out first. My hair feels super, super soft and already almost detangled. Okay, so now that my hair is clean, I'm going to shampoo my hair. The Moisturizing Black Soap Shampoo, I just shake it up before I use it. And the awesome part is, you guys, you see it has this amazing applicator tip, so the product is able to go directly on your scalp. I'm squeezing the shampoo on my scalp as I just put it into my hair, into each row. And you don't want to squeeze very hard because it already flows out on its own. Okay, so when you have the shampoo in your hair, you just want to make sure that you're making sure you actually wash the perimeter of your hair. I tend to start there. When you're shampooing your natural hair, you guys, you want to make sure you avoid doing this motion because it's going to cause extra and excess tangling. You definitely don't want that. So I just run my hand in my scalp like this and scrub. When you're shampooing your hair, you want to focus on getting your scalp clean because as the shampoo washes out of your hair, it's actually going to get the actual hair shaft itself clean. So I focus on my scalp. Really clean. On a typical week, I only shampoo and lather my hair one time. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and do it twice so that my hair gets super, super clean. But the Moisturizing Black Soap Shampoo already cleanses the hair really, really well. You really only need to lather once, but twice is optional. The amazing lather, you guys, that I get from the shampoo. Okay, now my hair is super clean. Alright guys, so the next and final step is to condition my hair. This is when I grab my Caribbean coconut milk conditioner. I'm just getting it on the ends of my hair first and then running it through. So typically this is when I would actually shower, wash my body, give my hair a couple of minutes to let the conditioner sit in. Giving it about 2 to 5 minutes is good enough. Really, that gives the conditioner enough time to work its way in. The awesome part about the Caribbean coconut milk conditioner, you guys, yes, it smells good, yes, it softens the hair, but most importantly, the ingredients in there are actually fortified to keep even the thickest natural hair super easy to detangle. So now I'm going to separate my hair into 4 because it's going to make it a lot easier for me to detangle. Okay, so I separate my hair into 4. Now, typically I use these type of clips because they're cheaper, and when you keep your clips in the shower, they tend to rust at times. These are super inexpensive, so even if they rust, it's okay. I tend to use these type of gator clips for styling my hair out of the shower instead. Okay, so now that I've given my hair time to sit, now it's time to detangle. What I try to do to save time, you guys, is I detangle my hair and I twist it up. Sometimes I use a shower comb to detangle. Sometimes I use my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush, which is what I'm going to be using today. So starting with the section that you want to detangle, this is where everything gets really important, you guys. You want to make sure that you finger detangle your hair first, if you can. That's going to make sure that any super intense tangles that you have, you're able to get out and not rip your hair when you're using a detangling tool. Then I hold my hair like this and I start detangling at the ends of my hair first, using the back of my hand as a base to guide my hair. So as you can see, I'm using the back of my hands and I'm brushing literally my hands and my hair. Then I'm going to go up a little bit, hold it with these 2 fingers, and then again, detangle. Then I'm going to keep going up and doing the same thing. Now, another super important tip is, as you can see, I'm detangling my hair underneath running water. You might be like, why are you doing that? Well, the purpose of detangling your hair underneath running water is what I have found, and this is my BlackOnyx tip, okay, is that the water actually weighs your hair down and it stretches the hair out for you. So the water running through your hair actually helps with the detangling process. So now this section is completely detangled. What I do is I just hold the brush literally between my legs, comb my fingers through one more time, and then I either two strands with my hair or I plait my hair, put it in one big braid. The reason this is important is I've seen a lot of people say when they get out the shower after detangling their natural hair that it's still super tangled. Well, that's my trick for you, that if you actually detangle and twist your hair or braid your hair, when you come out, it doesn't have enough time to tangle up. So again, I put my hand behind my hair, I hold my hair as I'm going up, and I use it as a guide. That's it, you guys. My hair is clean, it is detangled, it is ready to be styled, it is super soft, super moisturized. I just went from this fro right here, that dry fro, to this, super soft and moisturized. So that's pretty much it, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and hopefully I was able to answer your questions about how to make your natural hair wash day not so stressful and not so overwhelming. It's really easy if you have the right products, Alikay Naturals, and the right technique. Some of the tips that I shared with you here today. So thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. If you have not, turn on the notifications so that you're able to get alerted on the next video that I upload. And if you haven't subscribed, why not? Hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay fabulous. Bye.